Okay, just recently bought this Iron Gym total upper body workout bar. There is a booklet here that tells you how to put it together. And when you get it out of the box, these are the parts. There's a couple bars, some bolts, washers, nuts, and a little tool to put it together with. So to put this together, I'm going to take this piece here, and this is kind of like the front piece. It says Iron Gym on it. And then we're going to take these two arched handles here and put one at each end like that. And they're going to be held in place with, this is a medium bolt. You just, there's a little groove right here. Do that with the groove. And you take this bolt and you put it from behind. Okay, you put it from here, and then you just put it through this hole right there. And now you attach it, you put a washer here, like so, and then you got the bolt. And you screw that on. Now, of course, I'm going to tighten it later on. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Take the medium-sized bolt, put it through like that, and attach the arm. Take the washer, and then take the nut. Okay, and then I'll make sure it's all tightened later on. Okay, but that's the first thing you do. Now the next thing is take these two pieces and connect them, because this is going to be the bar. And I wanted to show you. Can you see that right there? There's a little groove right there. And then over here, it's kind of a dimple here. Well, underneath, it's a little ridge. So I'm going to slide in the groove, and then you twist it like that. And now it's locked in place. And that's our long bar right there. Now that the long bar is put together, we're now going to take the arched handles here and connect them. See the holes right here, and then holes right here. I'm going to go just on top of it, and then fastened with these long bolts from the top. So basically it's going to put it like that, the long bolt in here, and then connect it right there. Do it on the other side also. And these are going to be connected with, again, a washer and the nut. I'm just doing it to hold it in place now. And then I'll get the hex tool and tighten them. So again, from the top down into here. Turn it over. Get the washer and the nut. So basically, you know, this is going to go over the trim of the door. And then you pull yourself up with the bar or the handles here. So now I'm going to take this tool and then tighten everything that I just fastened. Okay, so now it's all together. It's all nice and tight. Everything's tight. So now I'm going to go put it in a doorway. Okay, so I'm going to install it in this doorway. And they say install it on the hinge side. So I'm going to install it right there at the top of the trim. But before we do that, we have to install this piece right here. This is called the safety wedge. You just kind of press it down, get it in there. So I've got the safety door wedge in there now. And it's there because when you put the bar in, it'll hold it in place. So if you're not using it, it doesn't fall down. Okay, so now I'm going to put this on the door frame. This part here is going to go on the inside, and then this will be on the outside. So I'm just going to kind of put it in diagonally like that. And now I can feel it. It's on the trim in the back, and we can adjust this a little bit, like so. This is what it looks like from the inside. As you can see, that safety wedge is right in the middle. And that's the view from the outside. Now in the owner's manual, it tells you the various grips you can use for the pull-up portion of it. But also, it's not just for a pull-up bar, but you could also use it on the ground to do push-ups. You can also use it for sit-ups, and you can use it for dips. Pretty easy to assemble and install. Thank you for watching.